And welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. For today's vlog, I'm making oxtail soup. Perfect for cold weather. Oxtail soup. Yum, yum, yum. Smell pa lang, ulam na. Amoy pa lang is sabaw na. So, saan ka na? Sa Let's Pinay Vlog Kitchen ka na. And let's enjoy and God bless you all. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Please help me to support my YouTube channel to make it big by like, share, and subscribe. And to all my followers, TikTok account, Instagram, my social media, hello to you all and shout out to you all. Shout out. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. We're having oxtail soup, perfect for cold weather. Is big chunk of oxtail with fresh yellow corn. Fresh yellow corn right here. And they have, of course, the saba, banana, Hawaiian banana is sweet and delicious. Of course, we have Napa cabbage. And put them together and we have a hot, yummy soup for tonight. Delicioso, masarap. Masarap is yummy and delicious. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Saan ka na? This is Filipino style. Always have hot soup for cold weather. It's perfect for cold weather. So enjoy everyone while we can. Life is too short. Enjoy life. So let's join me to cook some sabaw na oxtail soup. Sabaw na oxtail soup. Yum, yum, yum. Delicioso. So, shout out to all the viewers, silent subscribers. Hello everyone. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Saan man tayo naroon ng sulok ng mundo. Ingat po tayo. Take care and God bless us all. Please help me to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog saying hello to you all. And help me to support my YouTube channel by subscribing, like, and share. God bless us all. Thank you for watching and see you again soon. So, have a good evening, everyone. It's time for dinner. There you go. Chunk of oxtail, yummy and delicious with Napa cabbage. Let's eat while it's still hot. While you guys waiting for, get some bowl and let's enjoy it. And God bless us all. So long and thank you for watching and see you again soon. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog saying hello everyone. God bless and thank you for watching and see you again soon. Have a good evening to you all. Thank you and God bless you all. Thank you for watching. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. It's dinner time. So we're having hot soup is perfect for cold weather is oxtail soup. So we have some oxtail soup with pressed corn and Napa cabbage and many more and Hawaiian banana, and that's it. Enjoy and God bless. So long and shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Mega shout out to you all. Thank you for watching and see you again soon for the next vlog. Love you guys and thank you and help me to support my YouTube channel to make it big by like and subscribe. Let's Pinay Vlog of Maryland. Thank you and God bless you all.